cafe and food manufacturing business with 3 income streams, Canberra. La Empanada is recognised as a strong brand by independent analysis and interested buyers, and offers 3 income streams. From its bakehouse premises in Gungahlin, the business supplies over 15 supermarkets, weekly markets and events. Launched in 2016 at the old bus depot markets in Kingston, the star product is the delicious South American empanada. This traditional pie from Latin America comes in over 20 flavours, including meat, vegetarian and vegan options. Because all the recipes and mixes are proprietary, the profit margin on the products is unusually high for the industry. The products and ongoing sales growth prove the popularity of healthy fast food for all ages and tastes. Validated by a food scientist, the unique dough mix boasts several advantages over competitor products. This business is currently unique in Australia, being the only empanada manufacturer that operates in this way. The business includes tested processes with documentation backup to ensure product standardization, high quality and efficiency. These systems support immediate growth and expansion into new markets and franchising. Currently spreading into regional New South Wales, the business offers potential to expand into Sydney, Melbourne and Queensland. This brand offers a unique opportunity to quickly take this business through rapid growth regionally and nationally. For more information, call Exclusive on 02 9817 3331 or visit us at exclusive.com.au.